Well, the view from our copter shows the damage in one of the neighborhoods in the path of that tornado. Hail also pelted Highlands Ranch, Littleton, Morrison. Our Brian Moss is in the Stony Point neighborhood in Highlands Ranch, and assuming repair mode is in full swing, Brian.
Oh, very much so. In fact, the soundtrack, Mackenzie, for this neighborhood right now is chainsaws. So many trees down. You can see that one behind me. Up here, this house had a big tree fall into it. They've already cut that tree down, but you can see the roof damage over there. Hundreds and hundreds of trees down in this area of Highlands Ranch, fences knocked down, and roofs heavily damaged. Right over here, you can see the blue tarp on this roof as the tornado that came through just literally pulled concrete shingles off the roof of this house. As you move up this street, you can see the work going on here. There's a big tree that they've already been cutting down here. That was about a 40 or 50 footer, I'm told, by the neighbors. Moving up the street, you can see another massive tree down here blocking the street. Neighbors are out all morning, along with insurance adjusters, along with obviously tree companies doing a lot of work, and they're doing a lot of the work themselves as well. As we move up the street here, we're going to come up to this house right here, owned by a gentleman named Wayne Humphrey, who was kind enough to give us a tour of his house just a little bit ago. And there's an enormous amount of damage in his backyard. We'll take a quick look and see if Wayne Humphrey is still around. Wayne, are you able to kind of come down here and show us your backyard? We took a look at this a little bit earlier. He showed us what happened here. You can see right here, this massive tree snapped off, fell on his roof. Another one fell off right there. Wayne, give us a little tour here of your backyard, if you would. Wayne, you've lived down here for decades, I think, but describe the damage.
37 years.
All right.
Thanks for showing this, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, 37 years.
Down here. Walk us through here.
Walked in 87, but as you can see, we got a big pine, about a 40-foot pine, a 40-foot cottonwood, just both fell on top of the house here. Kind of scary stuff. We've trimmed it up so you can see it. The guys hopefully are going to be able to get it off here.
Okay.
In about an hour, the fence blew down. It was kind of helped by the tree falling on it, I think, here, this big cottonwood. And you can see the other one is about to come down. And our neighbors, the Mackeys, have about 6 trees that fell into the backyard back that way. Some cottonwoods and pines. And this is the root ball of a 45-foot pine tree that just fell into our neighbors on the back. And they're not home right now, so we're going to go and see if there was any damage to that beyond the trampoline.
Massive damage in your backyard and all around here. Why do you think that so many trees came down?
It came down because it was an EF1 tornado, but it was assisted by the fact that we had so much rain over the last couple of months that I think the ground was saturated and the wind was just too much for them to bear.
And you said one of the nice things is that so many neighbors are helping out. There's a sense of community here today?
Yeah, there really is. Everybody was out as soon as it was safe. Everybody was spoken to were in their basement, staying away from windows because it was pretty scary stuff. A lot of bumps and bruises and odd sounds along the way, like a freight train. And as you can see, a lot of people had much in the way of roof damage. Our neighbors over here. As soon as it cleared out, we got out there and just everybody was together and making sure everybody was safe and helping out, moving limbs from cars and things of that nature.
Okay, thank you so much, Wayne. Good luck with the cleanup here. I know you've been in touch with your insurance, as have so many people in this Highlands Ranch neighborhood. We'll be back later on today with more live reports on the damage down here, but it is extensive. So many trees, so many fences down, but apparently, from what we know, nobody hurt, no serious injuries. Back to you.
Yeah, thanks so much for showing us everything, Brian.